Did you know that the longest-lived houseplants can survive several decades indoors? Let's explore long-lived houseplants that thrive in indoor conditions, adapting to containers and outlasting the average lifespan of most plants. Plant number 1. Monstera deliciosa. Also known as the Swiss cheese plant, is a popular, long-lived houseplant renowned for its stunning, fenestrate leaves. With proper care, it can thrive indoors for 40 to 50 years, becoming a cherished part of your home. Monstera prefers bright, indirect light but can adapt to lower light conditions. Water it every 1 to 2 weeks, allowing the topsoil to dry out between waterings. It thrives in well-draining soil and enjoys occasional feeding with a balanced fertilizer during its growing season. With its vigorous growth and enduring beauty, Monstera deliciosa is a timeless and rewarding choice for plant enthusiasts. Plant number 2, Philodendron. Philodendron is a diverse plant family featuring numerous varieties and foliage colors, making it a favorite among houseplant enthusiasts. Low maintenance and long-lived, these plants can thrive for 25 years or more with proper care. Tolerant of occasional drought, they may need more water if leaves begin to yellow. Philodendrons grow well in medium light and require well-draining soil. With a mature size of up to 15 feet tall and 6 feet wide, they make a bold statement indoors. Their adaptability and striking foliage make them an excellent choice for both beginner and experienced plant owners. Plant number 3, Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. The rubber plant, a tropical fig native to Asia, is an evergreen houseplant admired for its year-round appeal and adaptability to lower light conditions. Known for its air-purifying qualities, it features slender stems supporting large, glossy leaves that transition from pink or red to deep green, purple, or variegated shades of pink or white. Indoors, rubber plants can grow up to 10 feet tall, while in the wild, they can exceed 100 feet and live for over a century. With proper care, they can thrive for 25 years or more in homes. Provide bright, indirect light, moderate humidity, and water every 1 to 2 weeks. Number 4 plant is Christmas cactus, Schlumberger bridgesii. It is a long-lived plant, capable of thriving for up to 100 years with proper care. Known for its vibrant cerise blooms, which emerge from the joints and tips of its segmented stems, it adds festive beauty to homes during the holiday season. This cactus thrives in bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. It prefers temperatures of 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit during spring and summer. Compact and easy to maintain, it grows up to 12 inches tall and 24 inches wide. With its enduring charm, the Christmas cactus is far more than just a seasonal decoration. Number 5 plant is Scindapsus. This plant is a relative of pothos and philodendron, is a versatile plant that can be grown as a climbing vine on a moss pole or allowed to trail gracefully from a hanging basket. Known for its ease of care, this plant thrives in low to medium light and prefers average, organic-based soil. Compact in size, it typically grows 6 to 8 inches tall and 18 inches wide, making it an excellent choice for small spaces. With proper care, Scindapsus can live between 5 to 15 years, adding lush greenery and an elegant touch to indoor environments. Plant number 6 is snake plant, Dracena trifasciata. Is a hardy, low-maintenance houseplant known for its resilience and striking appearance. Its stiff, sword-like leaves grow upright in dark green hues, often streaked with silver, white, or edged in yellow, depending on the variety. A favorite among plant enthusiasts and beginners, it thrives in a range of light conditions, from low to bright, and prefers well-drained soil. Snake plants are compact, growing 12 to 36 inches tall and wide, making them ideal for small spaces. With minimal care, these plants can live for 25 years, adding a touch of greenery and elegance to any indoor setting. Number 7 is CZ plant, Zamioculcas zamiifolia. Is a striking house plant with deep green leaves that stand out beautifully among other greenery. New growth emerges in lime green, slowly darkening as it matures, adding visual interest. Its leaves and potato-like tubers store water, allowing it to survive up to a month without watering. This low-maintenance plant thrives in low-light and well-draining soil, making it an excellent choice for beginners and busy plant owners. Compact in size, it grows to about 12 inches tall and 8 inches wide. With proper care, the ZZ plant can live up to 30 years. Plant number 8 is wax plant, Hoya carnosa. Is a herbaceous vine with fleshy, glossy ovate leaves and a trailing growth habit. Known for its fragrant pink and white flowers, the scent varies by species and plant age. Thriving in low light, it reliably blooms under the right conditions. Wax plants prefer well-drained soil and are both hardy and low maintenance, making them a popular choice for indoor gardeners. They can grow 4 to 12 feet tall and 2 to 6 feet wide, adding a lush, elegant touch to any space. With proper care, the wax plant can live for up to 30 years. Number 9 plant is jade plant, Crassula ovata. It is a tropical succulent evergreen shrub with oblong, fleshy leaves ranging from yellow-green to dark green. Unlike many succulents, it prefers soil that remains lightly moist. If leaves drop, it may need more water, while yellowing leaves often indicate overwatering. Thriving in bright to medium light, this plant requires well-draining succulent soil. Jade plants are slow growers, typically reach 3 to 6 feet tall and 2 to 3 feet wide, making them a striking addition to indoor spaces. With proper care, they can live an impressive 50 to 70 years, becoming treasured household companions. Number 10 is Dracena. A genus of small shrubs and trees, is a popular low-maintenance houseplant known for its evergreen foliage. Starting as a whorl of leaves near the ground, its lance-shaped leaves are often variegated or edged with different colors. As it matures, Dracena can be trained into tree shapes by removing lower leaves to expose the woody stem. Preferring bright, indirect light, it can tolerate low light but grows best with more light. Typically, it reaches up to 8 feet indoors. Use a peat-based, slightly acidic potting mix and water weekly, more if exposed to lots of sunlight. Some species live up to 40 years. Number 11 is spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Is a popular, adaptable houseplant known for its dangling baby plantlets, which can be propagated to grow new plants. This herbaceous perennial occasionally produces small, white star-shaped flowers in summer. Thriving in low to bright and direct light and well-drained houseplant soil, it's both easy to care for and versatile. Growing 1 to 2 feet tall and spreading 1 to 3 feet wide, the spider plant is perfect for small spaces or hanging baskets. With proper care, it can live up to 20 years, making it a long-lasting and attractive addition to any home. Number 12 is cast iron plant, Aspidistra elacia. Is a hardy, low-maintenance houseplant known for its ability to thrive in challenging conditions. With its broad, dark green, lance-shaped leaves, it adds a lush, tropical look to indoor spaces. It tolerates low light, irregular watering, and varying temperatures, making it nearly indestructible, hence its name. Cast iron plants grow slowly, reach to 2 to 3 feet in height and width, and require well-draining soil. Though it rarely blooms indoors, its resilience and adaptability make it a favorite for beginners and busy plant owners. With proper care, the cast iron plant can live for 5 decades. Number 13 plant is dwarf umbrella tree, Scaphilera arboricola. Is a compact and attractive houseplant known for its glossy, umbrella-like leaves. Typically grow 3 to 6 feet tall indoors, it has a bushy, branching habit that makes it a great choice for adding greenery to smaller spaces. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining soil. The plant is relatively low maintenance, tolerating periods of dryness but growing best when watered regularly. The dwarf umbrella tree also adapts well to indoor conditions and is known for being resilient to pests and diseases. With proper care, it can live for 25 years indoors. Number 14 is weeping fig, Ficus benjamina. Is a fast-growing, low-maintenance evergreen tree, perfect for indoor spaces. It thrives in bright light and can tolerate some direct sunlight. With proper pruning, it can be kept between 3 to 6 feet tall, making it a versatile design element. Repot it annually for the first few years to support its growth, using rich, well-draining potting soil. Water regularly during the growing season, but reduce watering in winter to prevent root rot. This tree can live up to 40 years indoors, adding lasting beauty to any room with its lush foliage and elegant form. Number 15 is ponytail palm, Bocania recurvata. Native to Mexico, is a slow-growing tree with a thick, water-storing trunk and a fountain of grassy, arching leaves. While it can reach over 20 feet in its natural habitat, it stays a manageable to 2-3 feet tall indoors, making it a perfect houseplant. Known for its resilience, it can thrive for decades with proper care. This drought-tolerant plant is forgiving if watering is occasionally missed, as its trunk stores water. The ponytail palm prefers medium to bright light and high-quality, well-draining soil, adding an elegant, long-lasting touch to any indoor space. Number 16 is croton. Crotons are vibrant, colorful plants with large, variegated leaves in shades of red, green, orange, and yellow. These low-maintenance plants make great houseplants or outdoor potted plants in warm climates. As they mature, crotons become tree-like and top-heavy, so it's important to use a sturdy container. They thrive in bright light, which enhances their leaf color, and if new leaves lack vibrancy, more sunlight may be needed. Crotons also prefer extra humidity, so misting is beneficial. Water thoroughly but allow the soil to dry between waterings. Fertilize monthly in spring and summer. With care, they can live for over 15 years. Number 17 is bird of paradise, Strelitzia. Is a striking tropical plant with large, dramatic leaves and occasional flowers. While it requires plenty of light, it thrives in bright, indirect light and can tolerate some direct sunlight for flowering. Keep it in a sunny room and water once a week or when the top inch of soil is dry, ensuring water drains through the pot. Bird of paradise prefers higher humidity, making bathrooms ideal, though a humidifier or pebble tray works well too. Fertilize monthly in spring and summer. With proper care, this long-lived plant can thrive for up to 50 years indoors. Plant number 18 is living stone plants, Lithops. Are tiny succulents, rarely exceeding an inch or 2 in height, with paired leaves resembling stones, giving them their name. Native to Africa, their leaves store water, making them both a hydration source in the wild and completely non-toxic, even safe for children. These sun-loving plants thrive in morning sunlight with afternoon shade, preferring temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Water every 2 weeks during growth periods, but let them rest in winter. Requiring excellent drainage and no fertilizer, lithops are low maintenance and perfect for sunny windowsills. With proper care, these unique plants can live up to 60 years. While most houseplants live for 2 to 5 years, many can thrive for decades with proper care. These plants can beautify your home for years, offering both aesthetic enjoyment and long-lasting companionship.